Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to start the engine to charge the battery in Toyota RAV4. Okay, so in the beginning we need to click the power button 2 times. So once and now twice. You can now see that we have some power. Now we need to tap the gas pedal 2 times, really hard. Now we need to hold the brake and switch the gear into the neutral, just like that. Now again we need to hit the gas 2 times. Now we need to go again into the parking mode, but don't hold the brake right now. Just like that. Again, hit the gas 2 times, really hard. And now hold the brake and hold the power button. Now the engine starts successfully. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.